it is time to get you. Like, get done, you know. Alright, how do I jump on this? You know, forget it, I'll just fly out. There we go. Alright, let me take this claw out of here. Darkwatcher, what the hell are you doing? None of your business, sunshine. Just let me do my thing. What thing? Sunshine, sunshine. You just ran into the wrong trouble. What the hell are you talking about? Wait, what are you doing? You know. Oh no. Yes. Yes, it's happening. What's happening? Darkwatcher? You know you're scaring me. Sunshine, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. Like what? Just like, you know, scratch me? Oh. Yes. Darkwatcher, what happened to your frickin' claws? Yes, the thing I always wanted to be. What the hell are you talking about? Oh, sunshine. How about you just, like, you know, get captured by the guards? What do you mean? There's no guards. The guards are coming here, and they are gonna be outsmarted by me. So what, you're not gonna help me? No. Wow, you are such a traitor. Oh, shut up before I eat your guts. Ew, that's gross. Alright, I'm making myself something. Did I put it in there? Alright. Okay. This is stupid. Maybe Aaron is right. Maybe we weren't too loving to Darkwatcher when we outcasted him. What is it this time, you stupid extinct birds? I have nothing to give you. Who is that? Who's laughing? Oh, mother, you don't remember me. What do you mean? Open the door and you might see. Okay, is this some kind of ghost? No. Darkwatcher? Wait, that's not what you look like. Oh, let's just say I used a sickle claw to inject myself. Why? Why? Just tell me why. Why you? Oh, you don't know. Well, how about you get, you know, killed? Oh no. Oh no, you Darkwatcher. Stay away from her. Oh, and what are you gonna do about it, you Hesperornis? We know what you're gonna do, you damn it. We know what you're gonna do. Like what, kill you all? Yeah, we know that. All of us do. Speaking of extinct birds, why did you turn into one? I've been trying to get this extinct bird for years and years, but apparently, no. Fire! Kill her! Now! It's time to cause some chaos! Alright, you big firebird, calm down. Alright, it's time to get you down. No, killer, you do it. Fine. Jeez. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. I wonder what Darkwatcher's gonna look like when he burns in the flames. Ooh. Can you just calm down with the chaos? You fools. You can't kill me. I'm invincible. Don't you see that? Darkwatcher! Well, hello, Red. Long time no see, I guess. Darkwatcher, seriously, you're gonna pay for what you did. Oh, for killing your parents? How did you find out that? Oh, let me guess. Had a dream of seeing them, and having memories seeing you killing them. What the hell? Oh, so you really do want to find out why? Because I wanted to know they wanted to join. Join your freaking army? Yeah, right. They'd probably know if you were lying. And I already know you're lying to us. The extinct birds. Or should I say, the last extinct birds. Look. You don't have to do this. I know what happened to you. I know. Like, if I had a hatred parent, I wouldn't exactly... I'm pretty sure our parents would probably feel bad. And... yeah. I understand. I understand how it feels. Still, we can still work together. You don't have to do this. You literally don't have to, like, turn evil. I will never stop this. Then I guess I have no choice but to fight you. You missed. What the... Jeez. I guess Light was right about this one. The other cases are strong. Oh my god. What the hell is wrong with you, Darkwatcher? Red! Light? It's okay. I'm fine. I will never give up. I will avenge my family even though I didn't even know them. Admit it, Red. A Deinonychus is stronger than a Sapiornis like you. I didn't even need to kill you. I was just a distraction. What? You? A distraction to me? Very pathetic. No. I bet you're gonna enjoy this. Enjoy what exactly? Oh no. No. Oh no. No. What are you doing here, you old vulture? Oh, Darkwatcher. I decided to give you a potion, you know? Oh, so you decided to team up with Cedric now? Oh, yeah, sure. Don't worry, this is fine. Anyway, here I am, just giving you something right here. Yeah! No, what the hell? What have you done to me? No! No! What the f... No. No, this can't be happening. You damn bird! What have you done to me? Turned you into a, let me guess, a Microraptor? I've been trying for years to get this thing back, and now I'm a Microraptor? Yes, and now you're not stronger anymore. Let's go, boys! Oh, shoot. Come on, run. Wow! Not so fast. Stupid hoppicornis. Let's take him to the sanctuary, guys. That's where that's where Sunshine is, not like, oh my gosh. Red! Are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Can you, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. You know, Red, ever since we met, I wanted to tell you something. Ever since you've seen me, you've been talking really weirdly. Yeah, I know, yeah, I get it. I mean, I guess I get it too. You know, Red, how would I say this? I'm gonna say I actually kind of love you. Okay, yeah, you're just gonna bring it up. No, it's really true. And I'm gonna say you're the nicest extinct bird I ever met. You too. Now, everyone, fire and killer, how do we put the fire out? The seagulls are coming. I just signaled them. And I told him I'm sorry for catching the freaking place on fire. And can you actually tell William... Yeah, can you tell William that we're sorry for... And Charles that we're sorry for, like, lighting their place on fire? Yeah. I'll tell them that. And I'll tell them that you apologized. Okay, thanks. Well, Red, are you okay? Yeah. Well, what do you say? What do you say? Should we go back to village? Definitely. We definitely saved the world, everyone. We saved the world from DARKWATCHER. Isn't that crazy? Oh, hell yeah, it is. Dang. It was pretty fun, huh? It was really, really fun. Yeah. So, Giant, wanna go have some crazy time listening to Curses like Great Wise? Oh, hell yeah, I do. Wow, I feel good. Alright. Whoa. I feel good. That was amazing. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the final episode of The Last Extinct Birds. I literally enjoyed it. And look, I turned myself into the Deinonychus. I'm not very small anymore. But anyway, I hope it took me a long time to get a lot of feathers to bite a Deinonychus. I'm not kidding. That's why I said it might take long. But this was a long episode today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.